Your Kinetec Spectra is delivered in reusable packaging. You are advised to keep it. Open the box and take out the package, including the mains cable and the documents. Take the machine out of its box and place it on a table. Remove the plastic bag. Put the foot plate in position and remove the remote control. The Kinetec Spectra machine comprises an articulated foot plate, which can also be used to hold the remote control, a leg support, a thigh support, a leg support here made of molded plastic, a remote control device for setting the various movements, which can be disconnected for maintenance purposes, and a mains cable. Plug the machine into a standard earthed mains supply. When the machine is turned on, the screen lights up and the machine is ready for use.